ready to race. And the race is on. Scarab, fast to begin, followed by Cool Reception. Happy Hour, Grand Game, Speed to Ritas Fearless, while Apo, Papato is the early trailer by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Scarab, enjoying by about 2 lengths, followed now by Grand Game. Cool Reception is running in third by the Happy Hour, racing in fifth by about 2 lengths. Speed to Riches by the Fearless and Apo, Papato. And nearing the far turn, Scarab by a length and a half. Grand Game is taking its time in second position. Cool Reception running by the. Then here comes Speed to Riches, Happy Hour, Apo, Papato, Fearless as they race the final corner. Scarab, Grand Game fighting it out for the lead. Apo, Papato down on the inside. Speed to Riches. Grand Game by Hapoland, followed by Scarab, Apo, Papato, Speed to Riches on the outside. But still Grand Game followed by Scarab and Speed to Riches on the outside. Apo, Papato, Grand Game by a length and a half and nearing the finish line. Grand Game finish the game. Second, Speed to Riches, Scarab, Apo, Papato, Cool Reception. 5